to the channel. Today I'm with my little brother Carson. Say hi.
Hi.
And Blair. And say hi.
Hi.
We're going on a cart ride and we are camping. Every time I make a camping vid, I don't make part 2. Promise the part 2 today. Part 2 will be later today.
And it stinks over here.
No. Yeah. We are on a cart ride. We are on a golf cart ride and we are going around the neighborhood. I don't know where we're going. I forgot. Yeah, I don't know where we're going. I forgot where we're going. We're going on Coca right? So yeah. It's on.
So first, we're gonna go to the front office and pay, and then we're gonna go feed the deer with some bread.
Yeah, we'll get on to that later.
Yeah, bye.
See you later.